Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. A very happy Wednesday out there to everybody watching. I'm so excited to film this. This is another hair video, and the idea came to me like in the middle of the night. I mean, I woke up at like 2:10, 2:20, I don't know. It was a 2 o'clock hour, and I was like, I should do that. Anyways, I want to take my bedhead slept-in hair and turn it into something glam, but like in a fast, easy way. And I wanted to share how I do that. Anyways, if you're curious to see how I'm going to fix this bedhead mess, go ahead and stay tuned because we're going to get into the video. Okay, I do want to start off by saying hi and thank you so much for clicking on the video. I do hope you decide to stick around, subscribe, and definitely ring the bell so you don't miss out on more fun. I do want to say also I am 37 years old. My hair is, I mean, usually straight. It's fine. It's kind of medium thickness, I guess. And I don't always like take a shower at night. It's bad for your hair. I know. I was a licensed cosmetologist. I am very aware of like how naughty that is. It happens. I'm a mom of 4. It happens. Took a shower last night. And I slept with wet hair. And it has this very uneven kink, and it's actually not as bad as it usually is. I obviously slept really cute last night, but I have had 3 of these coffees, very big coffees. Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm very caffeinated. But anyways, I thought this would be really fun. I just filmed the makeup look, quick makeup, and now we're going to do some quick hair to kind of be cute as we're going to go about our day. But I'm going to stop chatting, and I'm going to take you guys along into the bathroom where my straightener is, and we're going to kind of fix this bedhead together. Okay, so now that we are in the bathroom, I do just want to say I apologize for the echoiness. It is a bathroom. I'm human. But anyways, I do have my straightener here. It is already plugged in and everything. You can hear it tap it against the thing. I have this Saltra flat iron. I will have like the exact name if you're curious down in the description box, but it is on. It does have different heat settings here. Fine, normal, thick, and then there's an on and off button. So that is what I use. And I do want to say too that to do this, you want something that has a curved barrel here. You don't, not a barrel, the plate. There we go. The curved plates. Hopefully it picked up on camera. I know black on black is kind of weird. But you want the plate curved. You don't want it flat and then squared edge, I guess. Most of them I think are rounded, but I know they exist out there. And anyways, you do also want a heat protector. My hair has been dry, and then I use a texture spray as hairspray. So there's that. And I don't use any clips. Again, this is fast hair. This isn't gonna be fast hair on camera just because I'm trying to like talk you through it. This is one of my favorite heat protectants. I'll have everything I use listed in the comments down in the description box. My name is Kelly, and I talk a lot. But I just kind of run that through, spray it a little bit. It does add a little bit of shine to your hair. So if you are prone to oily hair, you might not like it. I don't mind it. I mean, you do always want to at least run your fingers through your hair. You don't want product just sitting in your hair. Then it gets goopy. Anyways, I don't section my hair. It is a kind of just an uneven waviness, and we're just going to add to it anyways. So what I do is I just kind of balance my head. Oh my gosh, this is so silly, but I just balance my head like this, and I take large chunks of hair, and then I bend, and then I bend back, and I do it, I don't count, I just do it, I bend the hair. I'm just manipulating a bedhead look, if you will. I'm just using my fingers to kind of take another large chunk. Again, this isn't perfect. The more imperfectness that you use, the better. I don't always go to the ends, but sometimes I might. I don't know how to describe it other than it's just a lived-in bedhead. It's not like the barrel curls beach waves. It's just a little bit messier, I guess. But I will just keep bending the hair. And I do say the first bend, I bend away from my face. And so then this side right here, all of this hair is just going to be bent away from the face first. Try to get centered. And just keep bending it back and forth. They do make big barrels that do this, in case you can't do this, but you can just do it with a straightener. I do have those barrels, and I'm almost more afraid I'm going to burn my fingers with those than just doing it this way. And every time I do this to my hair, I always get compliments that, oh, I love your hair. How did, is that the beach wave? And I'm like, it's kind of like an accidental beach wave, if you will. It just messes the hair up, and I'm getting chunks. I'm not grabbing, and that's fine. Again, the more imperfect this is, the better it looks, I feel like. You can absolutely do this and have it be all perfect if that's your choosing. So it's really just kind of messing it up again. I think it's a lot of fun. The back here, I will usually just do a couple sections. Now that my hair is getting a little bit longer. Just on the top layer, I guess. And I do keep playing with it because I don't want it to be perfect. This isn't supposed to be a perfect perfect hairstyle. And then if you want a little bit more dimension, let's do a little bit right here. You can grab this, and it's a much smaller section, and wave it slower. And you get just a little bit more of like a wave. Do it again, a couple inches away. Just bend it. Don't stay in one spot for too long. You definitely don't want to do that. But maybe 5 seconds. And you get just these little crumbs. I'm going to leave them like to dry. To leave them to cool like that. And I'm going to add a couple on this side. Just because my hair is a little flat on this side. There's less hair sitting on this side. I'm kind of close to the root here is where I'm going to leave the first bend. Don't worry if you are getting the right bend angle, because there is no right bend angle. And that's why I love this kind of just messy bend, if you will, or how you will, kind of look. And then I'm just going to zhuzh it a little bit. Okay, so with my hair texture, which is very fine, I get very flat up here very quick. So the quick and easiest way to do that is dry shampoo. I've tried root volume, but it doesn't work. I don't like teasing my hair either. But you're just going to leave that in there and just kind of keep moving it up as it cools. It will leave a powdery kind of residue that we will have to take care of here in a minute. But just keep kind of bouncing the hair, and it's, and then this piece kind of fell a little bit, or fallen out of place, or needs a little bit extra. So I'm going to add a couple different kind of bends in this one, right there. And that just, like, oh, I love it. So then with my texture spray, because my hair doesn't really kind of keep this very well, I am just going to spray this very lightly, and then push up. Again, this is slept in messy bedhead hair, but we're gonna look put together by the end of it. So there's that. My counter is like at 14 minutes in change. I will cut out a couple seconds, but it really, I mean, it took me time to bring you along down here. This really doesn't take me any time, and with my fast routine from yesterday, I will link the video up in the cards. This side. I'll leave the video up there. I can get ready, and I feel very glam, very put together, and out of the house in 20 minutes. This is, I slept in here, and I feel like this is very, very pretty. I love it. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I hope you learned something, or at least enjoyed watching me or bedhead glam my hair. That's kind of cute. Maybe I'll say that. I hope you enjoyed making bedhead glam a thing. I had a lot of fun. This is, like I said, this has been my go-to for the past few days. I have a lot of fun. I love filming hair videos. It is a true passion of mine. But I hope everybody decides to stick around and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Bye!